Hi guys, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week with a budget of $2,500 and we're going to see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, fine.
So the market's been very busy this week. Can you talk to me about what's making it so active?
Prices. More people are come shop because the prices are right now from vegetable go right across. I think onion is the only scarce something in our market because they married with garlic. But outside of that, no best time to come shopping. Everything is right now. Everything in our market, right price, callaloo, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, the authentic something them, everything all right. And through rain and fall, more reaping on them something there, some more food are coming.
Well, that's it for this week's episode of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.